Hello friends, welcome to today's video. Today's video will be on how to open a trading and Demat account. Currently, Upstox, a broking firm, is offering free creation of trading accounts. These are the steps shown in the broking firm's website. However, we will be detailing with the steps involved in the process. Before we get into the process, it is necessary to note the required documents necessary for creating a trading account. The requirements are similar for new investors as well as those who have invested through other platforms. For new investors, there is an additional requirement of an Aadhaar card, PAN card, signature, and individual's photo. This can be in scanned copies or photos. Now we shall begin the step-by-step approach for opening trading and Demat account. First, enter into Google, type free Upstox account. Click on the first result displayed and it will take you to the Upstox trading account website. This is the welcome page you will be greeted by Upstox, in which you will be asked to sign up by entering your email address as well as your mobile number. Upon providing your mobile number, an OTP will be sent to the registered mobile number, whereby your validation will be successful. Once your validation is success, you will be redirected into a screen asking you to fill up your PAN details as well as date of birth. Upon completion of the same, you will be asked to fill up your personal details including your annual income. A declaration is to be submitted of your residency as well as to the terms and conditions stated above. After the declaration is made, you will be asked to set your trading preferences. The trading preference will be to choose the segments to trade in. There are mainly two segments to trade in, which are equity, foreign currency, as well as commodities. Also, the website will ask you to choose the leverage plan for your equity cash. The next screen requires you to fill up your bank account information, including the IFSC code of the bank. Upon entering your bank details, you will be directed to the next page, which is for you to upload your documents. These include signature as well as an income proof. The income proof can be a bank statement of last 6 months. Similarly, both the sides of the Aadhaar card must be uploaded. On the right side of the screen, you will be asked to enter your personal details, which it is important to note that the details that you give in the right side of the screen should be exact match with the Aadhaar card. Upon completion of that, you will be asked to upload your PAN and your photo. The next window requires us to choose from the plans provided by the broker. However, you can opt for free, in which you won't be getting any brokerage credit. Brokerage credit is a type of credit which can be used only to pay brokerage on intraday tradings. Upon completion of that, you will be asked to electronically sign your application using Aadhaar OTP. After e-signing your application, you will be asked to do an in-person video verification using your webcam, in which you will be allotted a 4-digit number which you will have to write it down in a piece of paper and hold it against your webcam. Upon successful completion of the procedures, you will be redirected to this page showing that your application has been submitted successfully. It normally takes 1 or 2 days for them to verify and open your account. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, please subscribe.